English grammar quiz number 2. 35 questions, one topic. Let's go. Question number 1. Choose the synonym of benevolent. The options are on the screen and you have 15 seconds to guess. Kind-hearted. Next question. Choose the correct spelling of receive. The word is receive. Choose the correct spelling. Option B. Select the antonym of scarcity, meaning by you have to find out the opposite of this word. Excess. Question number 4. Which is a passive verb form? Painted, singing, was painted or opened? Was painted was a passive verb. Find the incorrectly spelled word. Accommodate was incorrectly spelled. Question number 6. Choose the correct verb form for he dash it well. He did it well. Fill in the blank. Dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day. Question number 8. Complete the sentence. She dash going to the market. She was going to the market. Next question. Pick the correct plural of crisis. Option A. Which is a preposition out of these 4? Between. Pick the correct indirect speech for I am tired. She was tired. Complete the phrase let the cat dash. Out of the bag. Question number 13. Choose the best synonym for profound. Intense. Select the correct article. He is dash honest man. An honest man. Meaning of once in a blue moon. Rarely. Identify the adjective in the dash boy ran fast. Tall. Choose the correct comparative form. Good, better, best or more good. Better. Identify the adverb in he ran slowly. Slowly was an adverb. Choose the correct homophone. I dash the letter. Option B. Wrote. Select the tense. He has been working. Which is this tense? Present perfect continuous tense. 21. Which is an interjection, although, wow, quickly or softly? Wow. Pick the correct conjunction. She is tired dash working. But working. Identify the noun in reading improves the mind. Reading. Choose the best model. You dash speak politely. You should speak politely. Fill in the blanks. Their car is dash than our. More expensive than ours. Pick the word that fits. She has a good dash of grammar. Knowledge of grammar. 27. Identify the gerund dash is good exercise. Swimming. Choose the correctly punctuated item. In option C, bread is slightly shown below. The correct answer is option D. What is the synonym of emphasis? Is it avoid, ignore, stress or deny? Stress. Just 5 more to go. Pick the correct verb form. He has dash many mistakes. He has made many mistakes. Identify the future perfect tense. Will have finished. Choose the correct comparative. She is dash than me. Tall, taller, tallest or more tall. Option B, taller. Third last question. Correct form of she dash him before. Has seen him before. Second last question. Pick the synonym of rapid. Fast. And here is your last question. Do let us know your score in the comment section. Choose the antonym of expand. And hit the like button if you want to see more videos like this. The correct answer is contract.